This tool is a complete mobile solution that will let you to manage your cell phone like a pro with a couple clicks just straight from your laptop. And it has tons of advantages. It has tons of interesting features that will be helpful. It supports all the types of devices. It's called DrFone from Wondershare. And this is really one-stop complete mobile solution to make everything that you want to keep your mobile at 100%. So today in this video, I want to show you how this tool works. I want to highlight the main features because it's really, really huge. One of the best things that you can do is jump to iOS 17 with this tool also. And this is something really crazy because the people who knows what's inside the iOS 17 says it's like a little bit, it can be a little bit clunky. It has some mistakes and so on. So DoctorFone from Wondershare will give you ability to transfer your previous version of iOS to iOS 17 without an extra effort and just literally in a couple clicks. So we're not going to stick on the official website, but I want to highlight the main features of DrFone. So this is the interface of Wondershare Dr.Fone from inside. Let's jump to Toolbox first. I want to show you what this tool can give you. It has fantastic features like screen unlock. You can remove all types of lock screens. It's fully compatible with all types of lock screens like Apple ID, Face ID, Touch ID, and so on. Even you can remove MDM and bypass MDM when you forget the username and password for your iPhone or iPad. DrFone can bypass the MDM, so you can access the device easily even if you forget the all your keys. Like you can unlock Apple ID. It safely removes your iPhone lock screen activation lock and helps you to regain full access to your device if you've lost it somehow, if you like forgot all the numbers and all the things. This is really crucial, and this is really powerful tool, and you don't need to hire like professionals. You don't need to repair your phone. You don't need to delete all the data from your phone and so on. Virtual location, one of the most interesting features also. You can make the fake iOS and Android GPS location and like switch it with real one. If you don't want somebody to follow you maybe, or you just need in some cases virtual location, you can make it with DrFone. You can use even joystick to simulate GPS movement freely and play AR games more smoothly without worrying about game crashes on traditional emulators. This is something about the gaming, and this is really crucial and also really interesting. You can simulate GPS movement with customized route. You create a route on the map to move along with customized movement speed when you play games without going outside. This is really incredible, and I do think it's useful. One of the coolest feature also is a WhatsApp transfer. If you know what I mean, it's kind of difficult issue to transfer the WhatsApp. All right, you can pick up it and restore it. You can selectively transfer your WhatsApp chat history between Android and iOS, including personal and group chats history and more. So if you have two devices, maybe you used to act with an Android and you have an iPhone now, or back, you can switch between the devices without a worries using DrFone from Wondershare, and this is absolutely insane. It supports more social applications. You can transfer and back like Line, Kik, Viber, WeChat, text, voice, and video chat history, pictures, and stickers, and so on. So if you need such tool, it will be definitely helpful. You have data recovery option, so you can recover Android. You can recover Google Drive data. This is also really cool. And recover iOS data. 30 plus data types from your devices directly, such as a picture, WhatsApp contacts, SMS, and so on. And it even can recover data from iCloud and iTunes. This is absolutely cool. Phone transfer has been said in the start of the video that you can click, just in one click, you can transfer your Android to iOS and iOS to Android device without no worries, without this difficult issues to grab the photos and videos and data out from your Android phone, for example, and put it to Apple iPhone. That was like difficult task. Now you can make it just literally in a couple clicks. You have system repair that fixes all the problems with an iOS. You can downgrade iOS without iTunes if you need to downgrade iOS. And all the problems like black screen, like boot loop recovery mode, with screen that died, and so on. Like, you can use it to bring life back to your device just in a couple clicks. There's a password manager. You can save it all in one spot. And there's a data eraser if you want to completely erase data from your cell phone. Like, you need to delete it totally. You can make that happen using DrFone. And guys, I wanted to make an experiment, and I did it. I switched the old iPhone 4S to this Wondershare DoctorFone. I do know that nobody does that before me, because it's kind of weird that I found the iPhone 4S, and this is really cool. And it supports, I'm not saying that it supports iOS 17, okay? But it supports old one with an iOS 9.36 version. This like from 2011. It supports the old devices even, and this is really great. You can make AI wallpaper, you can backup device, you can export all data, you can manage the iCloud, all the things, HEIC converter, ringtone maker, Toolbox, WhatsApp transfer, screen and lock that I've told you previously, data eraser, iTunes library, and quick transfer. And we have access to all the things that you have on this device. And this is really cool. So guys, make sure to check out this fantastic tool, because it has tons of features that will really help you if you have some issues with your iPhone. Or again, let's press learn more here. You can use Wondershare DoctorFone tool to easily jump to iOS 17. You can find out more via the link in the description panel about iOS 17 and how DoctorFone can help you with this operational system, with this update. And in general, this is really one-stop complete mobile solution that will help you to manage your phone like a pro with a couple clicks. So make sure to check out the link in the description panel of this video. Hope you enjoyed. Hope this was really useful. See ya in the next video. Bye-bye.